Hello, my name is Alexander and I'm responsible for the business unit EOD at Applied New Technologies. Today I would like to introduce you our customized trailer that we have developed for the MACE equipment. So, what's the benefit from the trailer? The good thing is you can store all the equipment on the trailer. Means especially the high pressure pump and the abrasive mixing unit can be stored in this trailer, and they can be located also during the operation. We also have a generator which is included, and this generator makes this trailer to a self-sufficient system. This is supported by a 350-liter tank, and means that you do not need power from external or additional water supply. The manipulators that are located at the OXO are located in these drawers. So you can see, and especially here, the 3-axis cutting table is in these drawers, and it looks very cleaned up and everything is in place. So we also have here the hydraulic unit that controls the manipulator, and the manipulators are located at the UXO place. The hydraulic unit is also located over there, so means less equipment that has to be transported to the danger zone, to the UXO area, and the main equipment always stays at the trailer. The trailer is also equipped with heating elements, so we have no problems with freezing, because there's also a water tank installed over there. And we have additional electric supplies, means additional lights, so at every condition and at every time you have enough light to take care of your actions. In normal cases we have two lateral flaps, means on this side a lateral flap, and so even when it's raining you are staying in the inside, and we also have a lateral flap on the back. On the other side we have two roller shutters, and these roller shutters, including the lateral flaps, allows to have an efficient and easy handling of the equipment that is located over here. So this supports the EOD team, makes life easier, and due to the fact also that all the MACE equipment is stored on this trailer, the EOD operator or the EOD team is always ready for operation, so they can go and drive to the UXO area and take care of this task.